and this is my mom, Ken.
Hi.
And welcome back to
another episode of Bake-a-rama, California!
Yay!
What are we baking today, Poppy?
Banana bread! Yay!
Is that your favorite or is that Daddy's favorite?
Daddy's.
Yeah. But we have these bananas that are getting kind of old, so we thought we'd make some banana bread.
Okay.
All right. So what's the first thing we need to do?
Set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Thank you. And then what do we do next?
Then we have to grease the pan.
It's a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan.
Yeah, loaf pan.
We're greasing it with some avocado oil spray. But you can grease it with butter if you want.
Done.
Okay, done. All right, so we've got our pan, we've got our oven on. Let's get going. What kind of ingredients do we need?
We need flour, salt, ripe bananas,
3
sour cream, 2 large eggs, cinnamon, nutmeg.
Oh, this is cool, Poppy. This is an actual nutmeg.
I know.
But you can use ground nutmeg if that's what you have.
Yeah.
And you can leave it out if you don't have any, it doesn't matter.
Vanilla extract, baking powder, baking soda, melted butter, and last but not least, brown sugar.
Gotta have the sugar. Can I tell you something interesting and scientific?
Yeah?
So in a lot of our recipes, we've only used baking powder, but this time we're using baking soda. And do you know why?
Why?
Because we have an acidic ingredient going into it, which is the sour cream. And so when you put sour cream into something, or like yogurt or citrus juice, like lemon juice or something like that, or buttermilk, then you put some baking soda in, it helps rise a little bit more.
Let's get baking.
Let's get baking. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is smash the bananas. Do you want to do it or do you want me?
I want to do it.
Okay, how
I'm
about
face my fears?
face your fears, smash those bananas.
Can I open?
Oh yeah, of course you can. There you go.
I haven't opened one in so long.
There you go. Open that banana, peel it, and stick it in there. You'll need 3 big bananas, or you could use 4 smaller ones.
I don't actually mind the smell anymore.
Oh, well, that's
It kind of
good.
smells good.
Maybe Poppy will start liking bananas again.
Maybe. Very
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
If anything can change your mind, I think it's this banana bread.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
What?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy! All right.
Oh, I want to ask you something.
Yeah?
I want to tell a joke.
Oh, yes, of course. We gotta have a joke every time. Okay.
What do you call a shoe made out of a banana?
I don't know.
A slipper!
Oh my god. That's funny. Okay, so you can just mash the bananas with a fork, or you can smash them with a potato masher, or whatever. So just smash, smash, smash away until it's a nice thick puree. Hey, I rhymed. You didn't even laugh.
That's kind of funny.
Keep smashing.
Mm.
Smash it, smash it, smash it, smash.
Is that good?
All right, so once it's a nice thick
Done.
puree, looks good. You want to add your eggs.
Okay. Can
Okay.
you hold this?
Yep, I'll take that.
Do we add them to here?
Yep, add them to the bananas. And then we're also going to add, 2/3 of a cup of light brown sugar. You got the other egg? All right. And 1/3 of a cup of delicious sour cream. If you don't have sour cream, you can use plain yogurt. Yeah. Or you can use fancy creme fraiche if you have that.
Mm-hmm.
That would be good.
But still,
Sour cream is really good.
mm-hmm.
Okay, here, do you want to add that in?
Yep. Can I eat that?
Here, scoop that in. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Done.
Perfect. Okay?
Can I eat this?
Sure. The girl loves sour cream. All right. Then we're just gonna stir this up. Do you want to stir
I wanted
this?
to stir.
Okay. I'm not gonna stir. Oh, and melted butter. We need 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Okay? Stir it all up until it's all really, really well combined.
Yep.
Okay, set it aside, just right there, and grab a bigger bowl. All right, now we need to add 1.5 cups of flour. That's a half cup. How many do you need for 1.5 cups if you're using a half cup measure?
You need 3.
That's right. All right, throw that in the bowl and do it twice
that's
more.
Really fine.
And then we need, here you go, we need 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Baking powder is a leavener. Did you know that? It means it makes everything rise. Like it makes your cakes rise, and it makes your bread rise, makes your pancakes fluffy. And then we need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Got a big scoopy one. There you go. And we need 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon.
This smells amazing. Can I add this much?
Yeah, that's fine. And then if you have a nutmeg and a fine microplane grater, you can just grate it in there.
How much?
Just, you know, a little pinch. Like 1/8 teaspoon if you're measuring it. Or 1/4 teaspoon.
That good?
Nope, keep going. Just don't grate your fingers into there.
That's gross.
Yeah, keep going. That's probably good. Doesn't it smell good?
Done.
So there's a whisk, and whisk up all your dry ingredients until they're nicely mixed. Then you can mix your wet ingredients with your dry ingredients. Okay?
Pour this in.
Yep, pour it all in. And you can use the spatula to stir it up. So just scrape it all in there and then stir it up. You just want to stir it just until it's all well combined, but then stop stirring. You don't want to overwork it.
Or it would become flat banana bread.
It doesn't actually flatten it. It makes it tough.
Become tough banana bread.
You don't want tough banana bread.
Which would be even ickier.
Yeah.
Whew. Ooh.
All right.
Done.
So let's pour that into the pan.
I'm scared.
You're scared? Do you want me to do it? I'll do it if you want. Spread it so it's nice and even. Okay, that's enough. And if you like, you can put crunchy sugar on top, or you can leave it plain.
Can we put crunchy sugar?
We can put crunchy sugar. Just sprinkle a little bit on there.
I'm trying. My hardest. Good. I'm
I
trying.
think it's great. All right, let's put it in the oven. Let it bake. Madame. All right, bake well, little banana bread. We'll see you soon. All right, now we wait. Okay, so our banana bread's been baking for a whole hour. So the way you know that it's done is what? How do you know it's done?
If you put a clean stick into the middle.
Like a wooden skewer or a toothpick, or we have this awesome little metal skewer. You want to test it and see if it's done?
Yep. Let's open this door. And
Can you pull it out?
we have to pull it out. It's hot.
Oh, careful. Is it clean? It's done!
Yay!
All right, so carefully get those oven mitts and put it on a wire rack, and then we have to let it cool for about 10 minutes, and then we'll turn it out and let it cool a bit more, and then we get to try it. Okay, so we let it cool. It smells so good. Wow, really? Are you excited to try it?
Yes.
Miss I Hate Bananas?
Do you want some?
Yeah, let's share a piece.
Okay.
I bet Daddy wants some.
Daddy, do you want some?
Yes, please.
Let's all share a piece.
Just to try it?
Yeah, just.
Okay. Do you want to cut it into 3 pieces? That's banana. Why don't you just not touch it?
That's you.
Okay.
This is me.
Okay. And Daddy gets the big one?
Yeah.
All right.
Dad.
Thank you.
All right. That is so good. Well, thanks for joining us.
Bye.
Please subscribe. Bake-a-rama,
California. Yay!